was stirring. Not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in the hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. And today, excuse my roughness, but I've been out all day looking for supplies for today's video. Today is Vlogmas day 5. Yes, we've made it 5 whole days so far, and I am super excited still about Vlogmas. So today we're gonna be creating a little DIY project from Dollar Tree. I did get one of the items from Family Dollar, I believe, but it was still $1, so it really doesn't matter. It was originally supposed to be a wreath that we were making, but they didn't have the mold for it, the little like the wire mold at Dollar Tree. I couldn't find it anywhere. I went to 2 of them, so I wasn't about to go to another one. But I did find a Christmas tree one. So today we're gonna be making a Christmas tree ornament table centerpiece. Yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. It's a centerpiece, but it's gonna be really, really, really cute. So stay tuned. Okay, so the supplies we're going to use today are this little Christmas tree. The actual name of it is a metal cone wreath form. So yeah, it's actually, if you can find the one that's for like a traditional wreath, that's really cool too, but I cannot find one in any of my Dollar Trees. You're also going to need some Christmas ornaments. I'm going with like a monochromatic theme, so I'm going with all silver and like a matte silver, but you can use whatever color you want. You're gonna need these little LED light sets, and I didn't realize when I picked it up that these were green. I really wanted white, so definitely pay attention to that if you are picking these up. And they do need batteries, so I have those. I am going to use a hot glue gun, which is over there. And you could just add some little embellishments to it as well. So I just picked up these little white snowflakes from Dollar Tree. And this was the one thing that I did pick up from Dollar General. It's a red glitter bow, and there's 2 of them. So you could do 2 different ones if you want to.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is prepare all of the parts that you're going to need for this DIY. These are the larger bulbs that you're going to place on first. So you want to take up the most space with these. Then you're going to fill in any gaps, any holes with the smaller ornaments that you see right here. I even have some extra small ones right here for the tiny, tiny little spaces. Alright, so you want to go ahead and you want to take the large ornaments and you want to start gluing those on first. Now, when I did this, I kind of messed up and it kind of did not stick, so I realized I was doing this all the way wrong. So what you actually want to do is go ahead and lay your ornament on the wire first. Then you want to take the hot glue and you want to like wrap it around the wire so that it cradles the wire. You can see right here what I did. So yeah, put the hot glue around the wire and around the ornament. So now you want to take your medium-sized ornaments and fill in any gaps that you have between the larger ornaments.
Okay, so what I noticed was I didn't have enough of the big silver ball, so I'm gonna have to add in some red. So my battery died. But I noticed that when I was making it, I ran out of the big silver balls. Like, it needs more to fill it out in the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the red ones.
So one thing that I did start to notice was that I did not start off by putting the tops of the ornaments inside of the mold. Like, you want to position it inside so you don't see that top part. So I'm going ahead and I'm taking my extra small ornaments, and I'm going to fill in the small gaps now. So this is what your DIY project should look like thus far once all the ornaments are on it. So now you want to go ahead and get your LED light sets and get them all hooked up and get your batteries put in. And one thing that I noticed was that the door that held the batteries in was screwed shut. So I kind of had to finagle my way in that. So keep that in mind. Now you want to take your lights and you just want to start with the first light and you want to hot glue that down. And then you want to go ahead and wrap the rest of the lights around the tree. Now once you get to the end, you want to go ahead and hot glue the battery pack to the bottom inside. So I guess alongside one of the ornaments, you just want to place it under there, but you want to be able to access the switch to turn it on and off. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with any accent pieces that you did pick up. I didn't end up using these pearls and diamonds, but that would be good and cute if you want to use those. Last but not least, you want to go in and you want to remove all of the hot glue strings that may be lingering around.
Okay, so that is all for today's DIY video. We learned how to make this Dollar Tree centerpiece. Isn't this cute? Now it did take about an hour and a half to make, so definitely some time to do this, but it was very therapeutic. I find it very calming to just do this DIY project right here. You can get everything from Dollar Tree, and with the exception of this part. The bow I got from Family Dollar. So yeah, go ahead and cop all these pieces and do this yourself and let me know what yours look like. Follow me on Instagram at SheIsCapri and DM me if you did this little DIY yourself and show me your pictures. I would love to see them. So I will see you all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6.